Thank the Deputy Chairman for giving me the privilege to address the NWC and NEC of our great party. I would like to start by recognizing my own chairman. The state chairman of Enugu State is here. Barrister Kasmia Abu is my partner, my comrade in arms. So I thank all of you, the NEC, the chairman of the parties, the secretaries, NEC, NWC, especially those of you who are here. Even when you're not here physically, if you are here in spirit, we are together in the battle to salvage Nigeria. I thank you for your commitment. I thank you for your steadfastness. The journey to rebuild Nigeria is not a small journey at all. It's an uphill task. It's a difficult task, but we are not going to relent. We should not relent. We should not say because of the problems, the challenges, difficulties confronting us that we should give up, or that we should embrace the bad things that we're up against. No, that is not the way of the men of God. That is not the way of people who eventually triumph, because the triumph of evil over good is temporary. I beg you to continue to remain steadfast. In Enugu State, we were steadfast. They didn't give us a chance at all. They were scorning at us. They were laughing at us. You don't have money. You don't have watches. You don't have this. By the time results came, we had shamed them. We had shamed them. Enugu State has 24 members of the House of Assembly. Right now, LP has 14. PDP is left with only 10. Enugu State has 8 members in National Assembly. Right now, LP has 7. PDP only 1. Enugu State has 3 members of the Senate. Right now, LP has 2. LP defeated the incumbent governor of Enugu State, even in his own ward. LP defeated the incumbent governor with well over 50,000 votes. On the day of the election, the governorship election, yours sincerely here, Chijoke Doga, leading LP, was coasting to victory. We have 17 LGAs in Enugu State. Results from 16 LGAs have come in, and I was leading with more than 11,000 votes. And the council, the LGA of the PDP Guber candidate came last. There's no reason why that LGA should come last, because it is one that is closest to the Enugu office of INEC. It is not. It is one of the ones that is very closest. The farthest LGAs, Aniri, Ozowane, all of them had come out. The biggest LGAs in Soka had come in. So for reasons that we all know as it happens in Nigeria, that LGA came last. When the results, my lead was very clear. And from that place, between INEC and PDP, they manufactured votes that were far in excess of what the people has captured, far in excess of what was accredited. And the officers, everybody inside the hall where the results were being announced, protested because it was obvious. And the thing was suspended, orders from Abuja. And for 3 days, Enugu State was kept waiting. And eventually, they made collations in Abuja without my being invited, without LB being invited. INEC on its own reduced the figures by themselves without, even outside the law, and without recourse to anything, and gave PDP a victory over LP of 3,000 votes. So we are in court. Gentlemen, we are in court. And we have the hope, in spite of the fact that their refrain now is, go to court, go to court, go to court. Go to court means, don't waste your time. In their own thinking, you know, go to court means you don't have money. Go to court means we are already now in charge. We are already sworn in. But the grace of God, the power of God, the might of God is bigger, far bigger than all those permutations of men. And by the grace of God, I'm assuring you, And we have the hope that the judiciary, which has always come out most times to save our people, will not fail us. And we'll be vindicated. Thank you. Thank you. May God bless you. Even these current travails, even here, will pass. And labor will emerge stronger. Amen. Stronger. That's my prayer. Amen.
Thank you. Thank you.